Right, welcome to today's glorious project. I've been putting this off for quite a while because I don't know, I just didn't want to do it, but gotta be done, and I'll show you why. I'm replacing the radius arm bushing on this my 1980 F150. It's the originals, even though that lift bracket is not necessarily original. That's the original bushing right there. It wasn't doing much anymore. In fact, it was, yeah, causing me some major problems. So there's the new one, and what I have going on is I've got the sway bar disconnected, and I've got it come along, hooked to a rig up there, jacked up a little bit and pulled forward so it's out of that, so that I can put all the new pieces on and make this thing handle just a little bit better. Like new, actually. So that's how you do it. All you got to do is you got to pull it forward. You don't. The other side, I didn't have to jack it up at all, but this one was wanting to angle up, so so I jacked it up a little bit and got it forward. There's enough play in those axles and these twin I-beam setups to get it forward. So really don't have to take anything apart except for, like I said, the sway bar was gonna hang me up. And then basically just that bolt right there. Take this stuff off, pull it forward, replace it, put it back together, good as new.